Honorable V. Zungul.
The Chairperson, Minister, we want to congratulate you for your appointment. I also want to take this opportunity to greet all of the honorable members today. We need to be honest with one another and ask, do we have the country which our forefathers fought for? The past 25 years was a transitional period after defeating the over 300 years of minority rule. Hence, we have a constitution that is based on negotiation and compromise. The structure and functioning of our country is based on the CODESA negotiations and agreements. This is an unsustainable compromise, hence the inequality gap has widened and more people are becoming poorer. What are the facts in our country currently? We have a Eurocentric constitution that does not speak to the spirituality, morality, and culture of Africans. A child as young as 12 can abort without the consultation of their parents, whereas a person under the age of 18 is regarded as a child and needs to have a guardian. The Constitution recognizes the institution and the status and the role of traditional leadership according to customary law. Yet we have the Abatembu King, Ikumkanu Dalindyebo, sitting behind bars. African law has been relegated to be second fiddle, and we are governed by the Roman Dutch law, whereas we are Africans with African norms and values. In other words, we are made to be foreigners in our own country. In the same right, we have the certain kingdoms that were destroyed in the colonial period still not reinstated. We still have apartheid laws in practice and people are still charged based on those laws. For example, the Rioters Assemblies Act. The very same constitution is allowed for foreign companies to have mining rights in for our God-given minerals. To show this constitution was not the will of the people even 23 years ago, there was a public outcry when the death penalty was abolished. Now, there's this narrative that we've got the best constitution in the world. Now, the question is, who is saying that? Is it the people of Siabuswa, Leboahomo, or Kuruman, or is it the investors, or is it the people outside of the country? And if it's the best constitution in the world, why aren't we seeing other countries copying our constitution because ours is the best? Rather than dealing only with Section 25, Parliament must be proactive and look at the entire constitution to ask if it is the will of the people of South Africa. The people do not serve the constitution serves the people. We need a constitution that is an expression of the will of the people. We need a people-centered and a people-driven constitution that seeks to defend and advance the interests of the people of South Africa. As the ATM, we support the budget. Thank you.
Order.